this system. We go see. Some of them go begin talk about the marginalized Igbo nation. They're supposed to give another extra state. They're supposed to do that. They're supposed to do that. They go begin remember Biafra and all that. But right now, when some of them don't get their positions, they don't begin to take everything, they suppress every other point. Nobody will talk again. Then they focus on how to get their own, get the money, get their money, get money, go abroad and so many other places. But we will never forget Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because that man is a hero. Very bold, say it, expose everything. In fact, the man don't do him work. He has done a lot of things. Now, these other things is left for the rest of us. He don't talk him, even to the extent that he